Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I'm so glad you're here and I'm excited because this is my first giveaway. I want to give away a Starbucks gift card for $25 to one lucky winner. I am so excited to see who all enters into this contest. Stay tuned till the end of the video to hear all the details on how to enter into this giveaway. I also want to share a wonderful fun day I had with my sister. We made glitter ornaments and we went out and got Starbucks and did a little shopping, and we also decorated a tree. We filmed this on November 14th, so this was before Thanksgiving, and yes, we put up our tree before Thanksgiving. It was just one of those kind of years. You just needed that. This is Living Gratefully's 100th video. I cannot believe I'm still doing this and I am having a blast. I hope you're enjoying it too. And please leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in 2021. I wish you the best of luck on this giveaway and let's get started. My wonderful sister Jenny shared with me how to use the Starbucks app to place your order on the app, and then you can skip the long drive-through line. You go in and pick up your coffee drinks. She came out super fast with these drinks and you could see how happy she was. So I wanted to share that story with you, and look at that line we missed out on. And you can see she's trying to cover her face with her hair, but I just had to show her. She's so beautiful and she makes me laugh and smile all the time. She also trained me on how to make these glitter ornaments. I can't believe how easy they are to make. Inexpensive too. All you need are some of the hollow ornaments. We use the plastic ones and we found some at the Dollar Tree and some at Michael's. You'll also need this polycrylic, which you can get at Walmart or any hardware store, and then you'll need the glitter too. I was really into black this year, so I made a black glitter ball, and we also used a lot of black and white ornaments on the tree this year. That was my theme. But basically you put a little polyacrylic in the ornament, swirl it around, drain it into a cup, and then before it dries you put the glitter in there and swirl that around, let that dry, and then we use the Cricut. My sister has a Cricut machine to design the cutouts to put on the outside, but you could use a glitter pen or glitter glue or permanent pins or stickers or ribbons or bows, all to decorate the outside. We had Christmas music playing on Alexa, even though it wasn't even Thanksgiving yet. You can see Scott was watching some golf, and you can see that beautiful sunset we had that evening. And after we finished the black and red Oh Holy Night ornament, Oh Holy Night is Scott's favorite Christmas song, by the way, so I made this ornament for him. He loves the John Barry version. Anyway, after that we got to work on the softball ornaments for Jaitlin's softball team. We used the yellow glitter with red stitches, and then her team color is teal, so we put the player names and numbers and team name all in teal. And Scott joined in on the fun, and it went much faster having the extra hands. They were able to give these ornaments out to Jaitlin's whole softball team at their last ball game, which they won. And now for the details on the giveaway, which is completely free to enter. It's open from December 27th through December 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to U.S. residents only. And here's what you need to do to enter into the giveaway. First, I'd love to have you join the Living Gratefully family by hitting that subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. So please subscribe to Living Gratefully and turn notifications on. And a huge thank you if you're already subscribed, that counts too. Next, I'd also love it if you like this video by hitting that thumbs up. It supports my channel when people hit the like button. And leave a comment for me. You can say anything you want. You can tell me the kind of videos that you like best, or you could talk about a Christmas tradition, like if you bake cookies with your family, you could share that with me and the other subscribers. You could share what kind of coffee you drink, what you order at Starbucks, or if you don't like coffee but you plan on giving this gift card to someone else. You could say something about your favorite Living Gratefully video, or how long you've been watching us, or how you found us, or something that you're grateful for. Just say anything in a comment below. And then lastly, please follow me on Instagram at Cathy_living_gratefully. So good luck, and if you want to catch up with us from the beginning and binge all of Living Gratefully's 100 videos, that playlist is linked in the description box as well. So we'll see you next time. Bye!